Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Buki. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today, without wasting much of our time, let's get into this question. It says, the radius and height of a solid cylinder. So our solution, you should know what a solid cylinder looks like, okay? So the question says, the radius and height of a solid cylinder is we have 8 centimeter and what 14 centimeter respectively. So this and this respectively. So it means our height here is what 14 centimeter. Okay, that's for the height, and the radius is this. So the radius here we have as what 8 centimeter. Okay. So now the question says find correct to 2. Okay, 2 dp means decimal places the total surface area. So what is the total surface area of a cylinder? Now, a cylinder has this, spherical or circular area, okay? Then it has this area, okay, that looks like this, okay? And it has another what? Circular area at the bottom, okay? So all we need to do is the area here, of course, area of a circle given the radius is pi, okay? Arrow what? Square. This is also pi arrow square. This is our height, okay? Now this length, okay, is our circumference. And the formula for our circumference we know is what? Is 2 pi what r. So the total surface area is this area, okay? So we have this area is what? Pi r squared plus. Now this area is going to be this times this. So we have 2 pi r multiplied by h, because this looks like a rectangle, plus what? We have another pi r square. So that gives us the total surface area, the surface area of this top, then the surface area of this that looks like what? A rectangle, and the surface area of what? The base circle. So we have this plus this is the circumference, okay, times the height here, and what's the surface area of the circle below or beneath. So if we add all that, we are going to get the total surface area. So our total surface area, let's call it TSA, is going to be, we have pi r squared plus we have 2 pi r h plus we have pi r squared. Okay, I haven't brought out, the formula, because such questions on mensuration, you don't want to cram your formulas, okay? You should be able to use the shape and bring out the formula. So the total surface area is going to be what? Now this is similar to this, so if they add up, we have 2 pi r squared plus what? We have 2 pi r h. Okay, we can leave it as add this to solve, or we can also factorize. Okay, what is common? I can see that 2 pi r is common, so I can bring out 2 pi r. So divide this by 2 pi r, we are going to get r plus what? So divide this by 2 pi r, we are going to get h. So we can use either this or this to solve the problem. Now let's impute the values of what? Our h and what? Radius and pi into the expression. But for ease, we are going to use this. So our total surface area is going to be, so we have 2 multiply, our pi is giving us what? 22 divided by what? 7, according to the question. Then we have times our r is what? 8 centimeter. So in brackets, we have r, which is the 8 centimeter, plus what? The height, which is what? 14 centimeter. So all we need to do is we are going to simplify or solve all that to be able to get our answer. So let's solve that step by step and see what that gives us. So the total surface area 2 times 22 is going to give us what? 44 over what? 7 times. I have this as 8 centimeter times. Now, 14 plus 8 is going to simply give us what? 22 what? Centimeter. Okay? So from that, we can now proceed further to see what that gives us. Okay, so let's see. So we have 44 times what? So 8 times 22, let's see. I have 16 carry 1, 16, 17. So we have 176. Okay, so divide by 7. Now centimeter multiply centimeter is going to give us centimeter square. All right. Now that we have gotten this, we now need to what? Multiply the numerator, okay, and see what that gives us. So if we multiply the numerator, 44 times 176, you'll be having 7,744. Okay, so centimeter square divided by what? 7. Now, if we divide this, divide that, we are going to see 7 into 7 is 1. Okay, now we also have 7 into another 7 is still 1 times. Now 7 into 4, it cannot, so we have 0. Now 7 into 44 is going to give us what? 6. Okay, which is 42. So if we subtract 42 from 44, we are left with what? 2. Okay, over what? 7 centimeters square. Well, the question says that we should what? Correct our answer to 2 decimal places. So we are not going to leave this in what? In fraction. So we are going to convert it. So we have 1106 points. Okay, so 7 divided 2, you can say 20. It's 2 times, which is 14. Okay, so 14, we have 6 remaining to 60. It's about 8 times. Okay, 8 times 7 is 56. So we have 4. 40, we have about 5 times, which is what? 35. So 40 minus 35 is going to give us what? 5. All right, so to 50, we also have about 7 times, which is 49. Okay, so we have this figure. So now to 2 decimal places, we don't have to forget, so we are going to count 1, 2. Now, since this is up to 5, we are going to add 1 to the what? 8. Our final answer to this problem for the total what? Surface area is going to be 1106.29 centimeter what? Square. So that gives us the simplest solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video to somebody. I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.